dimension in a night show, man. We have to have Likuti in the studio, man. Likuti, tell us about your music waka. When you start music,
where you learn this
your patois, how far? Why would they take phone calls?
All right, I started music way back. You don't take. Actually, before I enter my secondary school, now I don't start music.
Okay.
So then I get my own personal single. I do collaboration
with
kind of stuff with people. Then, so 2005, I relocated. I entered Lagos because I heard that.
From where?
From Ibadan. I was in Ibadan State.
Ibadan.
So you're about somebody?
Yeah, I'm a Yoruba boy.
What's your real name?
Adelaja David.
Adelaja David. Why you not ask David that killed the light? Or Adelaja or Laja? Lajidi.
You know, the journey we man get for life, now go shape him to do some certain things. We say it no good day understandable to people with the local. They happen that way. So what I have
this is the way you talk now is deep. Rema.
Now
people when they smoke.
You don't say we do lean back. You don't say we do lean back.
Now this is the way you talk now. People they smoke igbo. Now then they think you they smoke igbo.
No, I don't.
But your man be like person they smoke igbo.
And your hair be
like igbo.
It's actually the dread. Since I started this dread, I do look like a Rastafarian.
How many years ago?
This dread. That was last year. Immediately I finished service.
Okay. Oh, okay. You don't go start. Wait first. To you start with. What did you study for school?
I studied botany.
What? So my brother, what did make you leave botany? Come they do music.
Yeah, the music now, the naturals the way I get. The music now, we be saying
the study of plants.
Plants now.
So you know all those. You go make better
my brother think this thing. This way Katim talk. It makes sense. You go native doctor go fit you because you know
their name by their botanical name.
You understand? You go know say okay. Person when not get bikini, you go tell and say okay. Go to the bush.
Yes.
Look for
on the right hand side.
On the right hand side, you see Skalama bush escabia.
Yes.
9 months old.
Look for Rubicida dustiferius.
Yes.
Look for if you can get 2 pack.
Yes.
If you can look for Lucifera dustiferius.
Don't cut it or uproot it.
No. You go say okay. Look for Lucifera dustiferius.
Yes.
Lucifera gassifera dustiferius.
Yes.
Say okay, please. What is that? Sir, okay, the English meaning grass will get dust. Bring up.
He said, don't
my brother, try this thing. No, think native doctor go fit you.
No, I can no botany.
No, your own go there different. You go use laptop.
Yeah, you go there internet.
No. It's not what you think. It's not actually what you think.
No, minus.
The botany, everybody they look at like saying about would do, but no, we have different fields under it. I studied for school now paleobotany.
Paleobotany.
Yeah, exactly. That one I feel work for oil exploration company. You understand? Because now we the
but it's because oil and plant.
My brother.
Yo, that is what you don't know. That is what we go school for.
So
parallelogram botany now.
Let me say, they inside Ogo. Or water leaf.
They are all organic, so definitely there's a relationship. That relationship is what you will understand.
So, but make I ask you now, this is where you talk now. So, if we're not there now, I buy Ogo like 200 naira.
No. What do we talk now? Now, millions of years, chemical reactions where they happen, we be see the results.
Okay.
You understand? So,
exploration
you understand?
Okay.
So, now if you discover the full
scene. If you go interview like this, you don't get the work. As you just explain like
because for me now, we don't know what we don't give you work now.
The music actually chose me. I didn't choose it. It didn't just they always arrest me. So before I even had that profession as education-wise, I've been into the music.
Okay.
So
it's start music before if you enter school.
Exactly.
Okay. So, now back to our topic. Continue to discuss on top Twitter. I am at Ogelet. Francisca said, I know how much my husband earns per month. There is no need to keep secret in marriage. Viti God talk say, if there is true love in marriage, you must be open to each other. For me, my hubby knows mine and I know his. We don't keep anything away from us.
Okay.
ST say, Nedu, I not see anything wrong with that. That way, the woman will know how to manage her home. How to spend the money. Because, man, tell you something. Woman money na woman money. Man money na our money. Never take it. And
like that.
Really good thing to ask. Why is he like that? Use a basic song. Why is he like that?
No, take a rap. Make me enter.
And then Cool Brown talks in, as for me, I can't ask my husband his salary. If he thinks it's okay as his wife to know, then let him be the one to tell me. Because I'm not going to like, Katim talk something. Man will get more than one way to make money. Now him go tell his wife how much salary they collect. Okay, imagine that now. Your wife know the salary where they collect in a month. Yeah. Your wife know how much. You know, say this one talk now. Say they go manage her. In Africa, his home. He say her home.
Not be above her means.
Her means. Not be our home or not her home. So the man they work can't give you her money. Make it spend. Now that man now, for an example, they collect 300K in a month. Yes. Then the man, as he be talk, now go one hangout. Maybe you and your guys buy you can't say okay. You don't think I see my guys more you buy beer.
No, everything on me.
Everything on me.
Like the normal tripping, you know. For my money, I go fit enjoy my life.
You know, okay,
is your money.
Who's is her money? It's her money.
Okay, when I work where are the sweat? You did it.
Nah,
she dey cook for you. She dey cook for you
now. Now go still come back. I'll give you the money where they use to cook now. You know, you know why must you be like
now,
make I not come true to you again.
You understand? You can't spend 20K to buy beer. You can't reach out. She can't ask you, honey, our money is supposed to remain like 120K. Please, can you give me 80K? Your calculator say no, say not just like 100K now remains. Why happened to 20K? Say, I be hanging with the boys, I buy beer. Beer! 20,000! Why will you buy beer 20,000? No!
Baby, it's not like that.
It's not like, how do I manage this home? According to...
Do you know what 20,000 would do? I can 3 pots of soup and 1 stew.
According to Sylvia, darling, how do I manage my home? No, I cannot live. That one not mean say it is bad for you to tell your woman your salary. But anyway, our phone lines on the open when I begin the call us as we talk to Likoti.
Oh, wow. Well, anyway, now why you just watch the kind of woman you're going to get as well?
You get one story. We sorry to cut you. We did one woman, this woman, man and wife. Now church then deacon and deaconess. Now the man they collect 100K. The man can't collect 100K. Can't tell the wife they don't collect money. The wife knows 100K they collect. The man called the wife will say bring money. So he can't go one time the wife can't ask the husband, say where money. The husband can't say money don't finish. Now the woman begin shot. Can't go church, go report.
Say, can you imagine?
Not be play. She go church, go report to elder. Say, can you imagine? The man not talk. When the next money come the 100K, the man carry the money, give the woman the watch. So think on it. You can't get one time the man can ask her, say, how far now? If he gets more money, then the woman say the money don't finish. Now the man go church. Anyway, we will watch one of the Likoti video. When we come back, we'll continue still on top of what we discuss for Inside Studio for the night show. We'll come back now.
Should you want report?
No, report. Go report now.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.